Prod Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video. And yes, let's address the elephant in the room. You see, I have cut my locks. I went back to the clean cut. After 3 years, man, I just needed a change. But if you should so happen to be interested in knowing more about that, my lock channel link is in the description below if you want to go and check that out. But today's video, man, is all about the long tube headers. Yes, I have finally ordered the long tube headers. They are in my garage right now, and I am super excited because I have basically committed to doing major mods. I went on and pulled the trigger on them. I ordered stainless power long tube headers with catted mid pipes. So I'm super excited about it. And just to give you all some information, they are not stainless works. There is a difference, and I'll be honest with you, I thought I was ordering stainless works, but they were actually stainless power. But I'm gonna tell you what really caught my eye and made the difference was basically the price. So the stainless works long tube headers are around, let's just say roughly $1775, $1800. Okay, stainless power is, I think they came in about $1286, about $1300. And if you're wondering what the difference is between the two, there are three major differences between the two. The first one is stainless works is made right in the US, has a lifetime warranty, and stainless power is made overseas and only has a 2-year warranty. Next thing is stainless works has multiple sizes. They have various sizes, and stainless power only comes in the one size, which is the 1 inch and 1 inch and 7/8. The third difference is stainless works has more compatibility as far as makes and models versus stainless power. They only support the most popular models of type of cars. So Challengers, Chargers, Mustangs, you know, cars that are like really, I guess, the main sports or muscle cars. And I guess the fourth difference would be the price difference. Now, as far as the build quality is concerned, stainless works, if you look at pictures, you can tell that they do have a slightly, I would just looking at pictures or whatnot, I would say they do have a slightly better build, but stainless power is like directly behind them, is like right behind them. So I've done my research, checked out reviews and stuff, and I've heard very good things about stainless power, nothing bad at all. So I'm very happy about that. And as far as the performance results, they pretty much get these same results. And this is going across, you know, reviews from very respectable people. All right, so as far as which one you should get, I'm gonna be honest, man. I think that it's gonna come down to the pricing. I think that's really what it's gonna be. Pricing and probably longevity, as far as how long you plan on keeping this build, you know, the type of wear and tear and everything. I think for most people it's gonna be pricing, because $1800 is a lot to pay for some long tube headers, and $1300 basically, it does sound a whole lot better. So, and to get the same type of performance, yes. I mean, so if you want to swap, basically you'll be swapping out, you know, a lifetime warranty for a 2-year warranty. And depending on how rough you are on your car, you know, the 2 year, I think you're gonna be straight, man. A warranty pretty much guarantees, you know, you're gonna be good. So that's really what it comes down to, man. And I know a lot of people don't really know the difference between the stainless power and stainless works. I mean, I feel like, personally, I feel like they're kind of like sister companies, or, you know, sibling companies or whatnot. So I'm really excited about it, man. Now the next thing I got to do is find somebody to put them in, and from what I'm hearing, the installation and the tuning and everything is gonna be probably just as expensive as the parts themselves. And that's, you want to get somebody to do it right. I posted on the community post, you know, that I ordered them and everything, and I got some feedback, man. I appreciate y'all feedback on that. So I'm definitely gonna, the people that I get to install it, you know, I'm gonna make sure that You know, we replace the gaskets and any type of sensors or extensions that I need for the headers and everything. I'm gonna make sure I get all that, man. But y'all drop a comment below, let me know what y'all think, man. Do your research on the stainless power. Let me see, or you know, let me know what type of feedback y'all got from them, and what type of reviews y'all seen, videos and whatnot. And I'm just really excited about going ahead and getting this thing started. I am tripping all over my words today. But anyway, man, I just had to holler at y'all real quick, man. I got some more videos coming, and I'm really excited about definitely some good partnerships that's about to roll out. So it's about to be on and cracking, man. And I know it's winter time and I'm starting to get all this stuff going. I mean, it is what it is, man, but I'm about to have a whole lot of fun with this, man. I just had to holler at y'all for a quick second because I ain't talked to y'all in a minute since the last video. But I just was really excited and I had to let y'all know, man. So yes, the heavy mods begin, and man, I got so much stuff I gotta figure out and research I gotta do. It's, you know, when you start getting under the hood mods, you know, it's a lot of technical stuff and extra little bits and pieces, nuts and bolts you gotta get. You know, you can't just like buy the parts and just slap them on. You know, you gotta fix other stuff and tuning and all of that stuff. It's gonna be crazy, but I'm gonna take my time, man. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this, man. But anyway, it's your boy JR, JRTProductions, man. I'm gonna holler at you on the next one. Till next time, man. Peace.